Hey guys, Casey.Sanguins from Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to show you this brand new 2019 Heartland Sundance Ultralight. This is a brand new floor plan that we just got in. Really excited to see it. I, in fact, haven't even been inside of it yet, so we're going to explore it together. First of all, let's just go around the outside. Again, it's a Heartland, it's a Sundance. It's got the beautiful graphics, the nice crisp white, the dark colors, the black, and sunrise there. You got the nice LED light strips up here that's going to give you plenty of light so you can see what you're doing when you're hooking up in the dark. You've got the power tongue jack, you got the nice propane tanks, you got everything you need. Walking around this side, you've of course got the nice full pass-through. Look how clean and big that is. Plus, you've got a full-length LED light strip that goes all the way across, rather than just having one pancake bulb right here that you cover up, and when you want to get anything that's not right at the edge there, you're going to be able to see all the way in there. You got a nice, very long awning. It is an electric awning. Push a button, it's going to come out. Push it, you come back in. You got outside speakers. You've got a full-length LED light strip in there in the awning, so it gives you a very nice ambient light without having a bright spotlight down on you. You've also got an amber porch light for when you leave, that way the bugs aren't going to be attracted to it. You've of course got the outside kitchen. This is a bunkhouse, one of the reasons it's got the outside kitchen, but I love Sundance's outside kitchens. They're nice metal kitchens, so you don't, or metal countertops rather, so you don't have to worry about them getting wet, getting ruined. Nice 2-burner stove, plenty of room to cook up some eggs, maybe cook some omelets, some bacon in the morning. Proper draining sink. Plus, of course, the fridge outside. All of the doors, well, this one's not, but all the doors have the magnets up here that hold it up, makes it very easy. The front bay doors have the slam latch. This one's a little bit bigger, so it's got the more traditional twist lock. Let's come around the back. There's not a whole lot back here. Spare tire, bumper of course. The bumper is nice to have, this bumper, because you can get some aftermarket accessories that attach to it. Maybe a barbecue that would swing back there. All your hookups are right here on this side, very easy to get to. One dump station. All your hookups right here. You got your power, cable, satellite, fresh water, your black tank flush, and then this is a spray port. Rather than an outside shower, you've got a nice spray port, a nice hose to hose yourself off with, hose the bikes off, hose the dogs off, whatever you may do. That's about it for the outside. Let's run inside and take a look. Alright, you've again got a nice 3-step into it. Plus the nice big handle makes it very easy to get into. And wow, look at this. Again, I haven't seen this trailer yet. This is the first time I've been in it. And boy, is she a beauty. You got nice big bunks. They're very open with a nice sturdy solid ladder there. Plenty of room for the kiddos to sleep. You've got windows on both the top bunk and the bottom bunk. You've got nice storage here underneath the bottom bunk. Nice place to, put some extra pillows or blankets, whatnot. And then look at that. Look at that huge closet. Store all sorts of stuff in there. Bathroom. Sundance always makes a beautiful bathroom, and boy, they didn't disappoint this time either. You got some nice shades in here in the window. Be able to open that window up and get some ventilation. Nice little corner cabinet. Plenty of spots to, store your toothbrush, toothpaste. Nice new sinks here in a little better shape, and a nice shower. Look at how big this shower is. I'm 6 feet tall and I've got no problems in here. Plus, it's got the nice roll-away door, so you don't have to worry about the dreaded shower curtain that nobody likes. Coming back into the main trailer, you've got a nice sofa here. This is a jackknife sofa, so it does lay flat, but let's see. Yep, they've got the cup holders. Those light up with little blue, I believe, lights inside of them, and you've got USB charging stations here. So think of the kids going to sit here, and it's raining outside, cold, sit there, plug their cell phones or tablets, whatever electronic devices every kid has these days, and go to town. Stay out of your hair, huh? Nice storage up above. Plenty of space to keep all your stuff. And then of course you've got the dinette. This is a pretty good sized dinette. It's going to fold down into a bed as well. Plus look at all the windows. Windows on both ends of the slides, plus two very large windows on the end of it. You got the nice pull down shades there so that you can keep the sun out and keep it dark and private during the night. Coming up front, let's look at the bedroom in here. Plenty of room up here for mom and dad. You got nice hanging wardrobes on either side. Nice cabinets up above, plenty of space to store your clothes. Dual LED reading lights, more USB charging stations, plus a nice little shelf cubby up there. Park your cell phones, whatnot up there. You got a queen size bed with storage underneath. Another nice thing about Sundance is they use all residential size queens, a full 60 by 80 queen bed, so your normal sheets that you have at home will fit on this bed. Plus if you're a taller guy, your feet aren't going to hang over the end. Looking back behind you there, you got a couple nice drawers back there. Let's see how deep those are. Those are pretty deep. That one's not quite as deep, but still, drawers, storage, very good, very good. The kitchen, let's walk up here and do the kitchen. You got a nice big kitchen, plenty of counter space, nice plug-ins, power for a coffee pot, blender, margarita maker, whatever you got there. More storage up here for your pots and pans and plates. The nice stainless steel looking farm style sink with the high-rise faucet. It does pull out here. Yep, pulls out. Again, the glass top, Sundance does a great job with their stoves. The full glass top stoves gives you a nice smooth countertop, extra counter space. Folds up out of the way, creates another little backsplash as well, so you don't get the wall quite as dirty. Microwave, it's all the stainless steel. Looks very nice. Of course, you got your big fridge and freezer. Keep all your cold goods in there. And then the TV, the entertainment area. Look at that, that's a pretty big TV. You got the Furrion sound system. That's a CD player, DVD player, Bluetooth, radio, you name it, it's got it. Other than Blu-ray, it is not a Blu-ray, but plays everything else. And then your full command center here. You've got some nice storage underneath there. It's not very deep, but maybe some extra DVDs, some toys, whatnot. All sorts of good stuff. So again, this is a brand new trailer. So the first one we've had here at Guaranty. If you're interested in this, I'd love to show you in person. My name is Casey.Sanguins. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.